What is up, folks? Long time no see. Been a while.
It's been a while.
So we've been a little MIA on YouTube, kind of like content like this, but we are back, and we are currently on our way to pick up our dream van. And we got Otto with us.
Oh, bud. He's out.
Found a gem of a van on Facebook Marketplace. We'll get into the details in another video, but got some big things coming for Slow Your Roll. We're super excited about it. We got a massive goal we want to share with you guys, and we will save that also for another video. But the goal requires a van, and it's something that we've wanted for so long.
Like Austin said, it's been a goal of ours for a long time. If you've been following along, you know that we moved into a house in 2021 from living in a camper for 3 years, and we always wanted to have a van that we could travel in. It just took us a little bit of time to make that happen, but we are making it happen today.
That's right. And we had an older van. We didn't really post much about that. We had I think one camping video, and it was an old Dodge B150, really cool van, but for the goal we are trying to achieve, that we are going to achieve, I don't think that van's capable. No. That's a beach van, that's a beach cruiser. It was fun for the beach town that we live in, but we sold that with the intention to do exactly what we're doing right now. And it's wild how everything happened in the past probably 24 hours. If you're willing to search and willing to be patient, there will be a gem out there for you. Like I said, we'll get into more details on how it all happened in a later video, but for now, we're gonna sit back and enjoy our drive to our dream. And we want you guys to come along. We'll give you a little tour. Man, I can't wait to show you guys. This thing is sweet. It's a 1995 with low miles, and it has been, you would have thought somebody kept this thing in the garage for the past 30 years. And it's coming home with us, and we're going to give it the life it's meant to live. We're going to take you guys along with us on the journey. So, super excited, and we will see you probably when we are in the van. Peace. Kidding me? Haha, there we go. Oh yeah. See you soon. Oh, are you kidding me? Look at this thing. Let's go. Wow, can't really believe it. This thing rips. Look at all this space. Activities galore. First state park. The christening. Alright, obviously we took 2 cars to pick up the van. We had to find a little state park nearby that we could, where Jess and Otto can climb in and we can go for a little ride. Can't wait. Here they are. Otto's first. There he is, bud. There he is. What do you think? This is all for you. Oh, right in the bed.
Nice. You know.
Oh.
You know how it goes. That's awesome.
What do you think?
What do you think, bud?
Who is it, bud?
Hello?
You. So we've had the van for about 2 weeks now. A couple days after we got it, there was a little bit of a hesitation. So assumed spark plugs. That was a really fun, wild experience, learning how to do all that. Neighbor helped us out. We'll get into that in a later video, but she's back on the road. He, she, I don't know what it is
Have to
yet.
decide, come up with a name, feel it out.
But we're taking for a cruise right now, and Jess is gonna kind of give you a little tour here if we don't get in an accident.
Yikes!
Yeah, we got Otto with us. He's chilling in his little seat.
All right, let's go for a spin. So first of all, we have these amazing giant windows, which I'm a big fan of. And we've got Otto's seat. Hey bud, you chilling? Yeah? So plenty of stand-up room for me. Austin touches a little bit. He's got to give a little crouch down when he's standing up. But got this little countertop here. Oh, with Otto's leash. The person who owned this before us, he took this window out here and actually put a, let's see if I can open it. Oh, it's on this side. Portable AC unit right here under this cabinet. So that might be something to keep in mind for the future. Plenty of storage, and it all locks here, which is great. Huge drawers, really. So much room. Some drawers on this side that are baby-proofed and also Jessica-proof. Anyway, you don't need to see that open, but 3 nice-sized drawers. We've got a TV that's already installed, so that's pretty awesome. The first thing my brother said when he got in the van was, we need to put a PlayStation in here. We don't do much PlayStationing, but he'll appreciate it if we have one. Got Austin, flip the switch for the mood lights. At night you can really see it, but some pretty awesome light situation that's super classic. And then we've got our bed here. Plenty of room for me and Austin. Otto as well. Pretty nice view out the back. These classic little reading lights here. They're not switched on from the front, but they move around, which is really cool. Some AC vents in the back, which is great. Lots of room for storage. These curtains were already installed, which is awesome. And the windows open up here at the bottom. Short and sweet little tour. Plenty of storage, plenty of room for Otto. This seat I actually didn't even know was here whenever we first saw the listing. It wasn't photographed, and I wanted to figure out how we could put an additional seat in for Otto, but also anyone who might join us on our adventures to have an actual place to sit. And even maybe for my little brother to be able to have a little place to sleep. So yeah, that's the nice tour here. Just a quick little thing that makes me really happy. That says Franklin Motor Coaches. Austin's grandpa's name is Franklin, and my dad and my granddad, their names are Frank. So that felt really cool to kind of have that little addition with us. Should we name it Franklin?
Eventually.
We'll decide. We'll see. And our whole thing is Slow Your Roll, and Franklin was a cartoon featuring a turtle when we
on 95, I-95. We got this thing down to the floor, not really. We're cruising at about 70, and I've never like been on a cloud, but that's what it would be if we were to be on a cloud.
Yeah.
Does that make any sense at all?
Driving as smooth as butter.
But man,
Got
just
both.
said, just was saying that this thing was just born for the open road. So sure does feel like it.
Captain's chair.
Look at this. I could drive for days on end like this.
Can't wait.
This is more comfortable than my couch.
Seriously.
And that's a fact.
Yeah. Otto's pretty comfy too.
So we'll do a full tour of the inside, outside engine, all that stuff in a later video. That gives you a quick kind of idea of what we're working with here. We got a lot of ideas, a lot of things we want to add, and if you guys have any ideas of what you would add, let us know. This is all new to us, so we would love advice. So, like we said at the beginning of the video, we're taking this thing on a big adventure. We want to get all our ducks in a row before we put that out into the world. All the details. Super excited to share it with you, and that'll be coming out in the next video or the one after that. So yeah, this is like a dream of a lifetime. This is something we've thought about for about 8, 9, 10 years, and we're in it right now. So
We're in it. Honk the horn. Beep, beep.
So we're super excited to share the news with you. Thanks for all the love. Come along for the ride, and we'll see you back here pretty soon. Peace.
My name's Otto, and I'm the captain of this ship.